Matt, who's going to edit me favorably with my crappy bridge footage, has asked me to introduce my teammate Shin. Shin, say hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Shin has some amazing techniques. Would you like to talk about your good techniques, Shin?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. If you were to take the Tasmanian Devil, give a little bit of speed, maybe stick him behind a glass window for something he really wants on the other side of it, that would be a good way to describe how Shin rides. Okay! All right, so that's it. This is Shin.
Yeah.